Screwdriver thing that I've been saving. Looks like about the right size to poke that through. I'm going to use that. Try to get that old rivet out. There it is. That old rivet popped right out. Get this rubber out. Okay, time for the new one. This is it. You can find these on Amazon. I will provide the link in the description. You may want to just kind of pry that out a little bit. There it is. Actually, what I did on the last one is just pop this in, use the hammer. Ow. Okay, so these here come with the rivets. Now, so just make sure it lines up. Shove this guy through. See that? Just pops right in there. Okay, 8. So it's super stiff right now. Just put it on there, kind of train it, you know. Put it on, leave it on. There it is. It'll get easier. Yeah. So that's how you get the bottom ones on. Now we can just drill that out, this one out, and rivet them back on. Okay, so these have two little knobbies on them. They fit right into these little slots. Sit them right in there. There you go. So it takes about 5-6 squeezes for that rivet to pop. That's on, it works good. Sweet. Now for the last one. You guys are all on there? Nice, beautiful. Very nice. Get these on Amazon, man. Close up good and tight. That's exactly what we want. There you go. It's all done.